Okay, so let's talk about what should go on your vocabulary cards when you're making flashcards. And I know that a lot of you have probably already done this, but I like to go through and just remind students to not get done with them too quickly and not to put too much on the card, okay? So as we're looking at what should go on your vocabulary cards, you're obviously going to have two sides. On side one, you simply need to put the term or the word. And it needs to be big enough so that you can not have to guess what you've written down, and it needs to be in clear handwriting, so take your time. And then on side two, I'm going to ask you to put three different things. You want to put the part of speech that the word is, so maybe an adjective, a verb, a noun. That's going to help you when you're writing a sentence with that word later. You're going to put the definition of the word, because you need to know what it is. And then you're going to put an example, so maybe something that word reminds you of. You can write a sentence of it, or a picture. Some of you are going to be visual learners, and pictures are going to make better sense for you. So if you want to draw a picture to help you remember that word more easily, then that's something you can do on the second side. So I have done one example for you, and we'll just put this one up here. So on side one, your word is placid. Okay, so you can see that I've written in all caps because my handwriting gets very loopy if I write in lowercase. So it's easier for me to read that way. And then on side two, I've told you that it's an adjective, which means it describes something. So I'm not going to use it like I would a verb. Okay, placid is going to be used to describe something else. The definition is calm or peaceful. And then one of my examples is Miss Cranfield's voice. So maybe you don't think my voice is placid, but if I was going to put this in a sentence, I would say Miss Cranfield's voice is or is not placid when she speaks in class. It is pleasing to my ear, right? So the sentence and the example needs to help you remember the definition, and then it also needs to fit with how to use it based on the part of speech.